Welcome back to day 54. Inspired imagination to original voice. Think about this, friends. You do not need to copy anyone. You just need to model what inspired you. What stopped that scroll? Whenever that person did that reel, did the video, and they stopped you in your tracks. You stopped and you listened. You loved that. Well, then figure out that's what you need to do to help other people because that's what stopped your scroll. So was it that you needed more time with your family? Was it that you needed not to have to check your bank app when you go to the grocery store? Was it that you wanted to work remotely from anywhere? That you wanted to retire early instead of having to work the rest of your life? Whatever inspired you, take that into your original voice. If you're a single mom and you need extra income to support your kids instead of getting another job and spending more time away from them, then that's probably the video that stopped you. Don't copy that person. Let their inspiration inspire you to create yours story and share your story. Watch creators who light you up. Study how they make you feel, not just what they say. Then filter those ideas through your own values. That's how you find your authentic voice. So pick one creator that inspires you. Jot down 3 things that you admire about the tone, the pacing, the confidence, and now recreate that version in your style because people want to see you. They don't want to see somebody else. Your friends and your family, your followers, they know you. They don't know that other person. So tell your story. Imagination is one of those things that you get these thought processes that they want. You want to imitate, but don't. Don't copy. Be your own person. Create equals impact. Share the content that inspires you this week and how you're making it your own. And then allow other people to follow your journey. Tell them what you're doing. Tell them where you started. Tell them what your goals are. Tell them what your aspirations are. Tell them what is going on. Show them the real you in your journey. And whenever you do that, they're going to connect with you and understand that if she can do it or he can do it, then I can do it. Tomorrow, we're going to go into day 55, and I cannot wait to get back with you. I'm so proud of you for being here, and you're still here, and you haven't given up. Friends, congratulations to that 90 days and your success.